In this video, you'll learn how to create a concept map in Miro, one of the best tools for organizing complex ideas visually. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming a concept, or trying to simplify information, concept maps can help you turn chaos into clarity. So, let's get started. First, open Miro and either create a new board or open an existing one. Once your board is ready, look at the toolbar and find the templates option. Click on it. This is where Miro really shines. Inside the template section, search for concept map. You'll see several pre-designed options pop up. Choose one that suits your style and click Add to Board. Miro will instantly add a ready-to-edit concept map template complete with notes and connectors that show relationships between ideas. Now it's time to make it your own. Rename the nodes to represent your concepts, drag them around to rearrange the layout, and use connectors to show how your ideas link together. You can even change colors, resize shapes, or delete elements. Whatever helps make your map clear and visually engaging. If you are finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps others learn too. Once your concept map feels right, take a step back and review the flow. A great concept map should make relationships obvious at a glance, so you and others can instantly understand how everything connects. And that's it. Your concept map in Miro is ready. Use it to brainstorm, plan, or present your ideas with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy mapping!